How do you make your supply chain more efficient? Support it with strategy, master data, resources, and partnerships. Simplify sourcing and contracting. Increase visibility into best pricing for continuous improvement. Automate your purchasing and get out in front of the purchasing process. Standardize procurement. Drive operational efficiencies. Be more productive. Increase price accuracy. Maximize contracts, utilization, and compliance. Lower supply and overhead costs. Streamline processes and decision-making. Use procedural analytics to effectively integrate supply chain and clinicians. How do you make your supply chain more efficient? Choose Vizient Supply Chain Solutions. Break free from yesterday's supply chain. Efficiency unchained. Vizient.